Money was lost.
Standing alone on dusty street.
On a dusty street, a poor young boy stood alone. Sad eyes, silent pain, as if life had already taken everything from him. Poverty plus hard work. Poor hard-working boy carrying bag. He was poor, but he was never lazy. Every day he carried his bag, worked hard, and walked forward with hope in his eyes. People's mockery. People laughing at the poor boy. People laughed at him. They mocked his poverty. He looked down, said nothing, and kept moving forward. Blind trust. Boy shaking hands with rich man. One day, he placed blind trust in a rich man. He couldn't see the betrayal hidden behind that smile. Everything lost. Boy sitting alone night, rain. And then, everything was gone.